There we go. Okay. Hi, Darlington.
He says, hi.
Hi.
Hi, what's up? What you got in the box?
Just for you, baby doll.
For me.
What?
So important.
Hi, you. Oh, I could just take you right home. Look at
I
you.
am cute.
Yes, you are
Look
cute.
at my tail go up.
Oh,
You see
yeah.
my tail go up.
Yes.
Oops. Oops. I get back here.
Yep, so I
and
can
with
see
the
a little better.
feathers. And I should wear some feathers, Joy says. There we go.
Well, kitty, 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 kitty.
It's hard to hold her back. Here she comes
I
again.
know, I know. Ooh.
Oh, she likes
Oh, she does.
fish. She's a fish kind of girl.
Oh, she's got those Egyptian marks along her eyes.
She's just adorable.
She,
Oh, she says the fish is fun. Fish is more fun than the feathers. Oh, what a good kitty cat.
and she's even purring. Aw.